Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful strap. It's really easy. You may use any type of yarn, and I have cotton yarn here with a 5mm hook. First, leave a long tail, then make a slip knot. Insert the hook. 2 chains. 1, 2. In the last chain, that's 1, 2, this one, place 2 single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, single crochet into the same chain. 1 chain, and turn. This is the 1 chain, first stitch, second stitch. We are going to use the second stitch, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop. Make sure you pull up the loop. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 5 loops. 1 chain, and turn. That's 1 chain, the first stitch, below the first stitch. So first stitch, and there's a space here. In this space, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same space, pull up a loop, 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 5 loops. 1 chain, and turn. 1 chain, first stitch, and below the first stitch, there's a space, that's this one. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same space, and pull up a loop. 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 1 chain, and turn. Again, that's the first stitch, and here's a space. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 5 loops, 1 chain, and turn. And repeat this. Keep repeating this until it comes to the length you want. And I told you, this is pretty simple. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.